Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. मेरा नाम है अतुल खत्री. मैं होस्ट हूँ. I am also happen to be a stand-up comedy. मैं करता हूँ. किस किस जन ने stand-up comedy देखी है? Make some noise. Oh, fantastic. So आपको पता है rules क्या है? You have to make some noise. You have to laugh loudly. Enjoy yourself. तो let me give you introduction. Actually, I was a CEO of an IT company 25 साल के लिए और मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस कह दीजिए. 1 Jan 2012 मैंने एक न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन बनाई कि मुझे अलग कुछ करना है. तो मैं कॉमेडी ओपन माइक में गया, लेकिन अपनी बेटियों को नहीं बोला. मेरी 2 बेटियां, एक 17 साल की थी, एक 15 साल की थी. उनको नहीं बोला क्योंकि बोला बाप सठिया गया, इस उम्र में कॉमेडी कर रहा है. बट आई एम सो ग्लैड मैंने डिसीजन लिया, बिकॉज वहाँ से शुरू हुआ, चलता गया. एंड 9 years later, here I am at the trailer launch of Meenakshi Sundareshwar, got to you by Netflix and Dharmatic Entertainment and entire cast. So please give a round of applause. This is actually happens to be at least my first live show after a very, very long time. So thank you so much for coming. देखो, इंडिया ने ना वर्ल्ड को दिया है चेस, योगा, आयुर्वेदा, but I think India's biggest contribution has been arranged marriages. Do you agree? How many of you are married here? Make some noise, loud noise. Single people, make some noise. ये देखो एनर्जी देखो, पता ही चल जाता है. Okay, wives who love their husbands, make some noise. कोई नहीं, that's the right answer. Okay, husbands who love their wives, make some noise. यार क्या हो यार, पर चलो ठीक है. But हाँ जी, arranged marriages actually are like job campus placements. क्या होता है ना, पिताजी को पता होता है कि बेटे तो नालायक है, उसको तो रिजेक्ट होएगा, तो वही जाके खुद फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं. और जो आपका ससुर भी है, पोटेंशियल ससुर, आपको ऐसे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस पूछा है जैसे जॉब इंटरव्यू में पूछते हैं. यू नो, आप क्या कर रहे हो बेटा, आगे जाके क्या करोगे, आपके हॉबीज क्या है. और अगर आपका ससुर एवर आस्क यू दिस क्वेश्चन, वेयर डू यू सी योरसेल्फ 5 years फ्रॉम नाउ, आपका आंसर शुड बी विथ योर डॉटर एंड होपफुली विथ योर ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन. ठीक है. एंड हाँ, और बेसिकली क्या है दैट हमारे ज़माने में, आई एम क्वाइट ओल्ड, मेरी शादी हुई थी 28 साल पहले, और हमारे ज़माने में क्या होता था दैट अरेंज मैरिजेस को सिर्फ मैरिज बोलते थे और लव मैरिज को बोलते थे पाप. और मैंने भी पाप किया था, मेरी भी लव मैरिज हुई थी. मुझे याद है अभी भी 28 साल पहले मैं घोड़ी पे बैठा था, और जो मेरी बारात थी 1 किलोमीटर लॉन्ग थी मेरे घर से वेडिंग हॉल तक, लेकिन 5 घंटे लगे क्योंकि मेरे दोस्त ऐसे नाच रहे थे जैसे पता नहीं कल है ही नहीं. और क्या होता है आपको पता है, शादियों में क्या करते हैं, एक छोटा लड़का लगता है आपके सामने घोड़ी पे, उसको बोलते हैं सरबाला. ही ड्रेस लाइक यू. मेरे शादी पे आई थिंक दे गॉट द मोस्ट बदमाश सरबाला ऑन अर्थ. वो 5 घंटे की जर्नी में उसका एक ही काम था कि आगे जाके घोड़े के कान खींचूं. मेरे को तो डर था, एक टाइम घोड़ा मुझे नीचे फेंक के बोलता था, साले कभी शादी मत करना तू. दंगल और लूडो में वर्ल्ड चैंपियन सानिया मल्होत्रा. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, प्लीज गिव अ राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज टू सानिया मल्होत्रा. एंड अलॉन्ग विथ हर इज द मर्द जिसे दर्द नहीं होता, पर लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस शादी में रह के उससे बहुत दर्द हुआ, अभिमन्यु दसानी. Looking lovely, both of you.
Thank you so much, Atul. Hello, everyone. So good to see
Hi,
you
guys.
all.
Live show after such a long time.
Live show after such a long time.
Hi. Hello.
यार, I have some questions for both of you.
हाँ.
देखो, मैंने आपकी फिल्म का टीजर देखा है. And I have to say, Indian, you know, Indian में यूजुअली क्या होता है, फिल्मों में 2 लोग मिलते हैं, फिर उसके बाद प्यार हो जाता है, फिर एज यूजुअल पेरेंट्स नहीं मानते और फिर एंड में मान जाते हैं. पर दिस इज नॉट दैट. आपकी मूवी इज नॉट दैट. सो जब आपने पहली बार ये स्क्रिप्ट सुना, what were your thoughts, Sanya?
I think just like Meenakshi, it was love at first sight.
Oh.
Because I remember Vivek narrated me the script, और मुझे तो प्यार हो गया था with Meenakshi and the whole world that Vivek and Arsh have created. So definitely a love at first sight for me.
lovely.
Just like Meenakshi.
This film, when I heard it first, it was again narrated by Vivek and very passionately narrated his story. I found it extremely unique, one of a kind, and at the same time super common.
Very, very.
That mixture was just so fresh and amazing to me. And I thought I have to be part of something that is so passionate and so different and common at the same time.
I'm so glad both of you are part of this amazing movie. You know, टीजर में मैंने एक लाइन देखा है, इंजीनियर्स डोंट गिव अप इजीली. फिर वो चाहे इंजीनियरिंग हो या रिलेशनशिप. मैंने ऑलरेडी बताया, मैं भी एक्चुअली इंजीनियर, मैं एग्री करता हूँ कि जब मैं अपने भाजी वाले से बार्गेन करता हूँ ना, आई डोंट गिव अप वेरी इजीली. आप दोनों के हिसाब से रिलेशनशिप में गिव अप ना करना कितना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है?
मेरी ना ही सुने तो बेटर होगा पर मीनाक्षी के सुने तो आई थिंक बोथ मीनाक्षी एंड सुंदरेश्वर दे हैव लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ पेशेंस, तो वो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है और कम्युनिकेशन बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है। तो बात करते रहें आप जिसके भी साथ हैं, मेक श्योर दैट यू आर लेटिंग देम नो कि आपको क्या पसंद है, क्या नहीं, क्या ठीक लग रहा है, क्या नहीं। तो दैट इज़ रियली रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट।
क्या
Compassion and understanding are basically the building bricks of a relationship. So I think giving the person time and understanding and patience in any relationship for that matter, and then receiving that, it's just wonderful.
amazing. I think as you said, communication is the base of the relationship.
ट्रू।
अच्छा, जैसे देखो कैटरपिलर होता है ना, एक पॉइंट के बाद बटरफ्लाई बन जाता है। इंडियन पेरेंट्स के लिए भी जब भी बच्चे आफ्टर 20s हो जाते हैं ना, तो मैरिजेबल एज के हो जाते हैं। तो आपको भी कभी पर्सनल लाइफ में अरेंज मैरिज का रिश्ता आया है?
नहीं, पर मैं सोच रही आई शुड लेट माई पेरेंट्स नो, क्योंकि मेरे पेरेंट्स मुझे बिल्कुल फोर्स नहीं कर रहे हैं तो मम्मी पापा अगर आप ये इंटरव्यू देख रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ करें।
सर डोंट अवॉइड, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ आप भी हो।
No, mom will be very happy that you have asked me this question क्योंकि उनने पिछले 2-3 साल में काफ़ी कोशिश किया है।
अच्छा।
Yeah. It's a hilarious breakfast conversation for the family every time I come.
मतलब क्या, मतलब ऐसे पराठे के साथ में एक फोटो आ जाता है अंदर, ऐसे नहीं?
Suddenly the recital of a biodata starts.
अच्छा, ओके।
Suddenly name, age, qualifications. I'm like, who, what?
मम्मी अगर आप ये देख रहे हैं तो सीखे कुछ।
अच्छा, देखो किस डिस्टेंस के बाद लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रिलेशनशिप को कंसिडर किया जाता है? जैसे अगर लड़की कोलाबा में है और लड़का विरार में, इज दैट और नो?
Absolutely, that's long distance.
आजकल बॉम्बे में तो यार
बिल्कुल।
थार बैंड्रा में भी लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस हो जाता है। बट होल्ड ऑन, अगर आप लोगों के अभी लाइफ में लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रिलेशनशिप में रहे हैं तो कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था? हैव यू एवर बीन अ लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रिलेशनशिप?
यस आई हैव।
ओके।
इट वाज वेरी स्पेशल बट काफ़ी, मतलब आई डेंट हैव दैट मच पेशेंस। मेरे मीनाक्षी जितना पेशेंस नहीं था मेरे में इसलिए वो थे बीइंग द
हाँ।
कीवर्ड।
हाँ।
कि रिलेशनशिप में थे।
Mine was fun while it lasted.
Okay. He's always a little politically correct.
अंदर की
She's
बात
opening
बताओ।
up. हाँ, Sania's opening up. But before हम आगे बढ़े, हमारे बहुत से व्यूअर्स हैं, who must be considering arranged marriage, hopefully. तो फर्स्ट मीटिंग्स में यूजली काफ़ी awkward होता है when the boy and girl meet for the first time. In your opinion, since you all have been through a long distance arrangement in Meenakshi Sundareshwar, what should be the first question? आप फर्स्ट मीटिंग में गए हो, माँ बाप ने आपको अलग दे दिया कि बेटा आप दूसरे में जाके साइड में जाके आप दूसरे से बात कीजिए. What will be your first question to ask your prospective mate?
Food is an important part of my life. I mean, I wake up, have breakfast, and then I'm already thinking about lunch में क्या खाऊंगा, उसके बाद चाय पे क्या पीऊंगा और फिर dinner. तो then I'll definitely ask some questions about food. क्या वेज हो या नॉन वेज हो, खाना बनाना आता है कि नहीं, खाने से प्यार है कि नहीं, are you passionate about eating? Because I sometimes even do a happy dance when the food is very nice.
Happy dance.
Happy dance तो होता ही है.
आज हम लंच के बाद देखना चाहते हैं आपका
बिल्कुल
happy
बिल्कुल
dance.
अच्छा खाना लखाना.
But I think the veg non-veg question is very important here, because otherwise always bill double हो जाता है, and what will happen is
You can't even share फिर.
हाँ share भी तो
Share
कर
भी
नहीं
नहीं कर
सकते,
सकते.
खाली रोटी शेयर कर सकते हैं.
पर
rice
दोनों
share.
ऑर्डर करके अपना अपना भी खा सकते हैं, दैट इज वे बेटर। तो उसमें भी शेयर नहीं करना
नहीं
पड़ेगा।
यार, पर शेयरिंग इज केयरिंग. जैसे
Sharing is
प्यार
caring.
बढ़ता है एक
हाँ.
प्लेट में खाने का, एक ही ऑल दैट.
यू कैन शेयर टमाटर और खीरा।
श्योर.
What about you? What question what would you think? What is the first question you would ask your prospective
कि
groom?
मूवीज देखना पसंद है कि नहीं,
हाँ. Okay.
दैट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फॉर मी एंड मीनाक्षी बोथ।
Yeah.
कि ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है कि आपको देखना पसंद है, बैठ के आप नेटफ्लिक्स देख सकते हैं या नहीं देख सकते।
That's important.
वो मेरे साथ में चॉइस नहीं है. यू हैव टू एंजॉय मूवीज. दैट्स नॉट अ चॉइस.
हाँ, that's important. और क्या? एक one more. What else यार? थोड़ा.
देखो जैसे मैंने बोला, मेरी मम्मी तो मुझे किसी के साथ भी सेट नहीं कर रही है तो मे बी वी शुड आस्क यू, आप क्या बताना चाहेंगे?
मैं
क्या
तो बोलूँगा, I
क्वेश्चन
hope
पूछना
my
चाहिए?
wife does not snore. To be wife, खराटे I cannot handle it. Yeah, that's I think very important. पहले ही पूछना चाहिए,
पर अच्छा ओ
She's
Then in
never
that
faced
case,
that
I'll be
problem. She's
single.
never faced that.
I'm 28 years of marriage. I know what I faced. Chalo, moving on. Now we'll go to one more very short game we'll play. Okay. Can I ask the host to get some the cards? तो हम आपके साथ एक गेम खेलेंगे, बहुत सिंपल है. आप दोनों को दो साइन बोर्ड्स दिया जाएगा, ट्रू फॉल्स. Okay. I'm going to ask you questions about each other. If you say, I mean, both of you can answer at the same time whether it's a true or a false. Can you have the question? Yeah, please. Yeah. You can give it. Yeah. Oh, they're very heavy. You want her to hold the mic? No, you require the marks. Okay, no. Okay, guys, very quick, very quick. Is Sania a one-take actor?
झूठ. ये झूठ.
ये सच है.
नहीं.
ये सच है. बहुत ही टैलेंटेड है, हार्ड वर्किंग है, बहुत होमवर्क करके आती है, एकदम पढ़ाकू है.
होमवर्क करती हूँ बट वन टेक एक्टर नहीं हूँ. ये तुम्हें लगता है कि मैं वन टेक एक्टर हूँ पर मैं नहीं हूँ.
ओके, अभिमन्यु रेडी होने में बहुत टाइम लगाता है.
फॉल्स.
वो टाइम पे आता है?
हाँ.
अरे वेरी गुड. विवेक सोनी बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट डायरेक्टर है.
फॉल्स. प्लीज विवेक तो मतलब मुझे नहीं लगता किसी को डांट भी सकते हैं, किसी पे चिल्ला. हाँ.
पूछना पड़ता है, सब ठीक ही है ना? Are you sure?
अभी अभी सो गुड कि आप कुछ बोल ही नहीं
और
रहे.
you have lost hope कि करते रहो तुम लोग.
हम दोनों
खुद की
actually-
पिक्चर बनाओ.
हम दोनों वन टेक एक्टर है तो कंप्लेन ही नहीं है. ओके, सानिया लेट लतीफ है.
कभी नहीं.
सच्ची?
हाँ.
ऑलवेज ऑन टाइम?
हाँ. ऑलवेज ऑन टाइम और बिफोर.
She's a first bencher. She's a first bencher.
हाँ. बस स्कूल में नहीं, स्कूल में आई वाज द लास्ट बेंचर. पर हाँ, काम पे.
ओके, अभी काफ़ी मैंने सुना आपके जिक्र. तो अभिमन्यु को मम्मी से अपने डर लगता है क्या?
लगता है क्या? मुझे नहीं पता, तुम बता दो.
ओह, स्पेशली ब्रेकफास्ट टेबल पे जब भी वो जो प्रपोजल आते हैं.
Still learning ways to avoid it.
अच्छा, सानिया, is Abhimanyu a better dancer than you?
He is. That's true. He is a very good dancer, पर ये मानता नहीं है. He is very modest.
Sania should be doing a dance film, guys. Directors, producers, writers,
Thank you.
dance choreographers. She is probably the best dancing actor that we have.
But
Oh,
even
lovely.
Abhimanyu,
Yeah,
so
super
cast
talented.
both of
She's-
us.
Yeah, I would love that.
अच्छा, अभिमन्यु अपनी सारी नेटफ्लिक्स रिकमेंडेशंस आपको बताता है.
हाँ, बताते. True.
And Sania also? She also?
Yeah.
Damn good. That was very good. Thank you so much.
Thank
you
you
did
so
very,
much,
very
Atul.
well. Can you ask the host to come and take these very heavy true and false? Give it to me. Give it to me.
इसे हम वर्कआउट कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, एक्चुअली अभी मैं तो इसको दे बाइसेप्स कर ले तब तक. हाँ. तो अभी हमारे साथ जुड़ने वाले हैं इस शिप के कैप्टन. So how are you guys enjoying a live show, meeting the trailer launch of Meenakshi Sundar is finally happening. Vivek, questions for you. ये आपकी पहली Vivek? Oh, okay. Vivek, a question for you. You know, ये आपकी पहली feature film है.
जी.
It will soon be out there for the world to see. कैसा लग रहा है आपको? Very cliched question, but yes, I know it's so important. What an important day coming up.
First of all, thank you so much for coming for the event. Means a lot to all of us. आपका सवाल कैसा लग रहा है? बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Nervous, excited, confident. We have put in a soul and heart to the film, and I hope you guys like it and enjoy it.
I'm sure we will all love
Thank
it.
you.
Yeah. You know, we rarely get to see हिंदी फिल्म्स जो साउथ में सेट हुई है. आपने इस फिल्म के लिए मदुराई को एज अ सेटिंग क्यों चूज़ किया?
Well, the story organically itself, I feel, kind of blends into the setting of Madurai, because the film is called Meenakshi Sundareshwar, and the basic incident which kind of happens in the film, that the reason both of them get married is because of that, the fact that both their first names makes the famous temple of Madurai. So that is also there, and also in order to make it visually stand out, that was the reason. And also, as you yourself said, that not often we see films are being set in South India. So it's always great to visually and visually explore that landscape which has not been built before much.
Yeah, and I've been to Madurai many times. It's such a beautiful city. You know,
Yeah.
and thank you for exploiting us and showing us the city from your point of view. Apurva, I have a question for you. You know, Dharma is a very special corner as usual for romantic drama, and this one is very much in the same in your arena. What attracts you to such projects?
So, firstly, I have to say thank you everyone for being here. It's wonderful to see everyone. I think we'd forgotten how these events are done if we had been delayed anymore. And Karan is unfortunately, fortunately, he's shooting his next feature, so he's sent his regards because he can't be here. Answering your question, I said at Dharma, we are really fortunate to have the opportunity of having dabbled across all genres, you know, be it a spy thriller, be it a war drama, comedy, historical. But for us, love stories are the most special. I think that's what we're known for, and I think Karan and Somen really understand the genre really, really strongly. And, you know, love stories are language and culture agnostic, you know. So in that sense, and in these pandemic times, what could be better than having a really beautiful, entertaining love story that brings a smile to your face and lightens up your day.
Yeah, well said. So my next question for you. You know, आपने just first time इस film का script पढ़ा था. You know, what really clicked for you? Like,
You know, I have an honest confession to make about the script and the film. This is, I think, I mean, I don't say for a lot of films. This is one of those films where the film has become much better than the script, you know.
Wow.
So all kudos to Vivek and the team and the actors. And also about the love stories, you know, what has happened in the last few years in India, worldwide, we are not making love stories. If you think, you can't think of 3 love stories somebody has made. Because everything is tuned towards, you know, big ideas, novelty factor, which we are also doing, event films, biopics. So when the script came in, this was a love story, which is, you saw is a love story post-marriage. So that was the interesting hook. Plus, it's written very well, there's nice characters, setup, all those things were there. And, but love story also depends on chemistry. Saying, acha, will it translate on screen? Paper pe to acha lag raha hai. So thankfully, all that thing has come in place. So the script was great, but the film is much better. I guess what I'm saying might sound alien right now because nobody has seen the film except us. So hopefully you guys will watch the film. But that's why for us it's interesting to do a love story after a long time. You know, even Dharma we are not doing love stories. It's because, you know, the other genres have opened up and we are experimenting, which everyone is doing worldwide too. So that's why we are very excited about it.
and I think especially the long distance arranged marriage, that concept is so, I think, new and unique. Pratiksha, next question for you. How does Netflix approach bringing romantic stories to Netflix? Like, how diverse is the rom-com genre becoming?
Thanks, Atul, for the question. Interesting fact for everyone. In 2020, we saw an increase by 250% of the viewing of romantic films and series in India. So that just tells you how much people are craving seeing love stories on the screens, and, you know, who better to partner with in telling a love story than Dharma? You know, they're very iconic. Or each of us probably has a Dharma film that we kind of aspire, you know, when we think about our own romantic lives with. But for us, to be honest, it's really just about the story and how powerful that is. And when it comes to romantic stories, is it giving you a window into someone else's love story? Is it an extension of your own imagination, expression of love? So those are the kind of thoughts that, you know, we keep in mind when we are looking at potential romantic stories. And this one is very special, very interesting, because as Vivek mentioned, there's a very beautiful and different setting that you haven't really seen in Hindi films before, but also it shows tradition, family, but then, you know, the young couples, their own individual aspirations. So I think it's something that a lot of us will relate with.
Thank you. But, you know, 200% jump in love.
250.
250%. I think because, you know, husbands are locked up with their wives the last 2 years, you know. They had no option कि love story देखो, अब क्या देख रहे हो सब. But anyway, guys, अब वक्त आ गया है मदुरई जाने का और मीनाक्षी सुंदरवेश्वर का ट्रेलर देखने का. Ladies and gentlemen, please let's watch the trailer for the very first time of Meenakshi Sundareshwar.
Why should we?
अरे साउंड नहीं आ रहा है, लाइट ठीक है. हाँ, okay. But okay, still the sound gets done for you, you know. In terms of, you know, since you all are working for the first time, you know, together with Vivek and the entire team sort of, in a way, you know, I would say how challenging it was in terms of just, you know, because a lot of chemistry has to be set in right. How soon did the chemistry sort of gel, and it was day one, or it took some time to sort of. This is a very thing you want to take that. I
Definitely
asked
from
you.
day one. For him, we started with a. Okay, we got the sound
You got
back.
the sound? अभी sound है light.
Sound आया.
I think we need to play it from the beginning.
Yeah, just play from the beginning,
Yeah,
guys. Yeah,
please.
I think they're starting it out. They're starting it out. Oh.
Yes, we need an engineer.
Engineer, correct.
Okay, till it comes. He dodged the question to you.
But no, we.
Yeah.
Could we mute the audio?
Okay, let me ask you a direct question.
So yeah, you were talking about the chemistry. If so we had multiple reading sessions where we were told what the character is.
Yes, can you stop the volume? Is coming on the monitors here. Yeah.
And the pre-production done by Vivek was so airtight that he explained everything to us in detail. The flavors, the mood, the setting, the stage that we're going to be on, the kind of areas, the kind of sounds that we're going to listen to. So वो एक बार हो गया हमारे reading में, and then when we just jumped onto it on set. You know, the first few days only we had some intense scenes which were like pivotal scenes in the film, which was shot in the first 4 days of us being on set. So I think if we didn't have the readings, then maybe it would be tough to get into character so quickly. But thanks to him, I think we could.
And his clear vision,
Yeah,
what he wants.
He knew exactly what he wanted.
Yeah.
बस यही चाहिए, 19-20 नहीं.
ठीक है. And now we exactly know what we also want because the trailer is ready. Ladies and gentlemen, let's watch the
Clear
trailer.
vision
Hopefully,
and clear
fingers
audio.
crossed. Huh?
Why should we consider you?
Because I'm an engineer, and engineers make the best.
देर इज
It's
नो
a
एक्सेंट
Hindi
इन द
film.
फिल्म. सो जब
For
हम
the Hindi
लोग
audience.
शुरू कर रहे थे फिल्म का, ये हम लोगों ने एक डिसीजन लिया था. बिकॉज सिंस इट्स बीइंग सेट इन मदुराई, बिकॉज इवेंचुअली व्हाट वी आर मेकिंग ए हिंदी फिल्म सेट इन मदुराई. इवेंचुअली ये हिंदी फिल्म है, ठीक है. अभी उसके दो पहलू हैं. या तो मैं इस पूरी फिल्म को तमिल में कर दूँ, देन इट विल बिकम ए रीजनल फिल्म, जो कि इसमें कोई दोहराई नहीं है, कोई गलत बात नहीं है. वो भी बहुत अच्छी फिल्में होती हैं, एंड आई लव दोज फिल्म्स. बट मुझे इसेंशियली एक हिंदी फिल्म बनानी थी. So either we go all out and keep it in Tamil, then it will become a Tamil film, or then you keep an accent, जो हमें नहीं करना था. Then it becomes stereotypical, जिसकी आप चर्चा कर रहे हैं, I guess. वो हमें नहीं करना था. Then it almost looks like you're making fun of the language. So हमने खाली हिंदी रखी है फिल्म में, और बीच में फ्लेवर के तौर पे there are some Tamil words spoken by the characters.
And can I add something to it? I know what you're saying about, stereotyping. I read some of it. I would tell everyone, please watch the film and then discuss this, whatever you want to do. But don't shoot it at the teaser or at the trailer. Also, a few things. Don't judge a new filmmaker's work based on past work or mistakes of other filmmakers. I know we come with a baggage. Oh, मैंने वो picture देखी है, उसमें ऐसा है, इसमें भी ऐसा होगा. Wait, आ रही है 1 महीने में, 1 महीने भी नहीं है. Within few weeks.
November
that is one
5th,
thing.
yeah.
A filmmaker first time film बनाता है, उसको 5 साल 10-15 साल लग जाता है, तब जाके पहली फिल्म बनती है. So so important thing वो भी है. One thing that we are missing is filmmaker का gaze क्या है, वो कहाँ से आ रहा है. And that gaze is about the love and the passion and the honesty, dedication, earnesty. वो सब मिल के वो gaze आता है filmmaker का, and which is not exactly the same जो previous filmmakers have made or have done the film. So I would say don't judge by that. Wait for the film. I think all the answers, you'll get all
I
the
think you
answers.
gave a very complete answer. Thank you so much. सर मैंने पूछ लिया ना, वो बोला ना उसने क्या स्नोर नहीं करना चाहिए.
हाँ, karate I'm fine actually. I think I also
please answer the question. Yeah.
The communication bit definitely, कि कोई inhibitions ना हो और बातचीत आसानी से हो सके, स्मूथली हो सके, और फनी होने चाहिए. आई थिंक सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर इज़ अ मस्ट. नहीं, अभी ऐसा सोचा नहीं है, पर आपकी नज़रों में कोई है तो बता.
I think understanding is very important when it comes to me individually, and some sort of ambition. If my partner has, then that kind of turns me on. So I think a combination of understanding and ambition would be the first few things that I look for in a partner. Abhimanyu.
You know, I think that's. I don't think that's a fair question. I think these are extraordinary actors. I mean, this film has actually been mounted by all newcomers. I mean, I think I'm feeling really old when I keep looking at the team on the film because Vivek is a first-time director. They are extraordinarily young, bright actors, and you know the DOP is new. So the idea for us is to work with new talent because they are all as amazing as the, you know, if they don't get an opportunity to work, how will they show what their merit and mettle is? You know, so I think we are blessed that we have the ability to work with such talented people, and the results for you are to see on the screen.
अभिमन्यु
हाँ जी.
As an actor, I felt safer that she was on set. I said मैं कुछ ना कुछ सीख लूँगा इनसे.
अरे दैट्स वेरी स्वीट ऑफ यू. बट नहीं, ऐसा मैं सोचती नहीं हूँ. व्हेन एवर आई एम अप्रोचिंग अ कैरेक्टर या कोई फिल्म करती हूँ तो ये मेरे माइंड में नहीं होता है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. आई डोंट नो, कॉन्शियसली होता होगा पर फोरफ्रंट में तो डेफिनेटली नहीं होता कि क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होगी. ये मेरा सपना था टू बिकम एन एक्टर. यू नो, आई एम लिविंग माई ड्रीम लाइफ. तो मैं वही उसी चीज़ से बहुत खुश हूँ. आई एम एट अ कैंडी स्टोर.
अभिमन्यु हाय, दिस इज जोईता.
Where are you, ma'am?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Hi.
हाय. आपसे पूछ रही थी, इससे पहले मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता एक अलग रोल था, ऑफकोर्स. अब मीनाक्षी सुरेंद्र.
Also, sorry, ma'am. This will be the last question because we have lunch served. So yeah. So,
Yes.
yeah, please. Sorry, sir. Please continue. Yeah.
So just wanted to know about your, I mean, what was the trigger point? किस तरीके से आपने ये रोल एक्सेप्ट किया एंड क्या अच्छा लगा आपको, और क्या कुछ है, क्या कुछ देखने को मिलेगा आपकी तरफ से अपार्ट फ्रॉम द ट्रेलर?
I mean, I want to do something different with every movie that comes. I want to explore the genres, and I think that's what actors are supposed to do, change themselves into different characters. And this allowed me such a big variation from the other films that I've done. Like, clearly you can see there's zero action in this film.
Right.
I mean, there is some action.
Yeah.
There is
We
some
saw you tied over there.
Different
but yeah.
action.
thoda alag action hai. But yeah, no, the uniqueness, like you have seen, it's a very unique setting, but all the emotions that the characters go through are so common, whether you have been in a long distance marriage or relationship, or even if not, you'll be able to relate to each character and what they're going through, and it's probably happened in everyone's life. So the combination of this was just so inviting and attracting to me that I said that this seems like a film that has soul. You know, a soul for a film or for any art is something that makes it close to timeless. You can watch this 10 years back and you can watch this 5 years from now and you'll enjoy the same thing, you know. Sorry, I can't.
His question was that your
second
mother
half.
had been a part of one of the most successful love movies ever made. So did she give you some suggestion? That is the question, sir. And that will take as the last question. Or did mom give you some tips?
खाली बोला कि best of luck and enjoy yourself. As long as you're having fun, that's what matters.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Please stand up for a photo op with the photographers.
Thank you
and
so
ladies and
much,
gentlemen, the
everyone.
movie
Thank you, guys.
releases
Thank
on
you.
5th
Thank you so
November
much.
2021. Please spread the word.